Hello everyone. My name is George. I am from Mozambique in Nyambane, Tofo. So I'm Bitcoin Tofo. So in Tofo, I was the first one to be using Bitcoin. So how I will know Bitcoin? I will know Bitcoin about my friend Herman. So I met Herman for a long time. So he's the one, he promoted me in Bitcoin. So in Tofo, we have Nelson. Nelson, he has a surfing shop. So he accepts Bitcoin in his shop. He can rent the boat. He do self-lesson in his shop. Wait. So this, this shop is from Vasco. He has a salon, so he's doing a cut hair. So in his shop. So this is João and Shawuki, their cousin. So they're making sugar cane juice. So and they accept Bitcoin payment close to the beach. So, and then this man there, it's a Rafael. So he has a small shop. So he sells some different things, a drink, beer, chocolate, whatever. So in his shop, he accepts Bitcoin payment. So this is my shop. So this is the first shop in Tofo to accept Bitcoin. Still George's shop. So this is the guy, the one with the dreadlock, no shirt. His is Nelson. He's the owner of the surf shop. The guy there. So this is the new market. So I don't know how I call it. Sorry, my English is slow. So this is new. I didn't post it yet. But this is the big company in Tofo. This company, they call it Boa Gente. Boa Gente, they mean good people. So this is the company, they produce coconut oil. So they produce coconut oil and they produce a soap for watch. And then they produce honey, you know, from the coconut, and then and they produce main thing they produce. So for the next few days, I'm gonna post in some their videos. So it's a big company, and this company, I have this company to promote me or to promote Bitcoin around in Nyambane Tofo, because this is connected with the whole tourists around and many. People from overside, they live there. So this company, they are very happy, and then I'm very welcome on this company. They still know, but I'm very welcome because they know what Bitcoin is. And then they know the property owner, she's a lady, she knows Bitcoin is money. So she's very happy because she also helped the community. So that's all I'm doing. So I'm so thank you to be here. But I still have 1 minute. I still have 1 minute. So I will say, thank you for everyone. This is my first time to be in Cape Town. I've been in South Africa, but Johannesburg for something else. But this is my first time to be in Cape Town for Bitcoin. So I know when I'm going back, everyone, even the one will say, no, I don't want to be there. I know everyone will come to me and then they'll be join them together. So I'm so very happy, and thank you, Herman, to put me here. Thank you, everyone.